What's going on today, YouTube? Back with another one, BWI2ATXF, the channel. And today, what we're going to be installing is just a little bit of a complimentary piece to the interior. We got the red middle seat, and look at how that matches. This is Alcantara OEM. I'll leave the part number in the description, but you can see, although Alcantara, there's a very nice complement in the match. It's going to go right here. Very simple. Straight screws, and we're gonna get right into it. All right, so we're gonna get a pretty small tight screw here, and this is overkill. You don't need a ratchet. I just can't find my screwdriver. And you're gonna hit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like I said, this is the easiest install you can do for your interior. Probably the easiest install that you could probably do in general, to be honest. All right, screws removed, no edit. Let's see how easy it is to really get this off. Did it in the past, but I forgot how I did it. Let's see how easy it is, no edits. Pops right off. This is the cover. Step 1 done. Gotta get the rest off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Easy. Excuse the flash. This is not meant for driving by any means. Went to an O's game. We won. There you go. The screws out, and watch this magic. Wow. Easy. It's this easy. You just repeat the reverse of exactly how it was taken out, and you're done. So I'll be back after I undo everything, show you the final result. I know I said I'd be back with the final results, but I lied, because this is something that is important to note to avoid creaks and everything and rattles. You want to make sure that these screws are tied in correctly or tapped correctly. So give you a look. This may be information overload, but now you know. These are effectively self-tapping screws at this point. This is an untapped plastic, so it does take a little bit of time to get it in because there's no channel inside of the plastic. It's brand new. So, excuse the camera angle. Trying to get this improper tool in, but you want to get it in like this. And you're going to have to put a little bit of crank on it. Don't over crank because it's self-tapping. You don't want to strip the channel that it's creating. But you know when to stop. You don't want to over tighten it. If you don't know when to stop, put the tools down. You can see when you pressing on it, there's no movement. And you just do the rest of that with the remaining screws. And then same fashion, no creaks. All right, so I had to backtrack, so pay attention. You see these screws right here. This one goes right here as expected. This one right here is not for this layer. Try to get this in, and you can see the screw right here. So this connects with the black screw. Just save you some time, pay attention. Don't use that. Use the black screws for here, here, so here, and here. All right, first look, y'all remember how it looked like? We went from the black to this. Sheesh. So I'm very pleased with the end result. This is OEM, it's a direct fit, and it looks beautiful. It looks like how it should have looked from the factory, in my opinion. If you want to look at the Alcantara color, I'm a color stickler because you really don't want mismatching different colors in here, but this is the color here, this is the color with the seat. Even though it's a different material, it hits the light a little bit differently, but it's a very nice compliment as you can see. Very happy with it. If not, I wouldn't keep it otherwise. One thing I'm doing, if this is your daily driver, you don't want to get this messed up. Of course, you can clean it, you can scotch guard, you can ceramic coat it all you want, but have a dog. This is my daily driver. I had my mom create somewhat of a sleeve. This is not the final result, but basically, I'm just gonna have this. See if I can do this one-handed. I'm gonna have this just as a cover. There's no hole here and there's no cutout here, but if you wanted to, look, it already latches. She's gonna stitch this just to the shape of it. That way it'll be a cover in between days. And if I want to expose this, there it is. It's that simple, it's that protected. So if anyone's curious about that, or that's a deterrent for you, definitely have options there. So appreciate y'all watching. As you can see, I'm fucking sweating. This East Coast humidity is nothing like Texas. I'm missing Texas on that front. So it's hot. I'm hot. I'm glistening. Anyway, thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. More videos on the way. If you haven't seen already or you haven't heard, F in the chat. I'm going to leave a link in the description. It's dedicated Discord chat, all regional for all types of Fs, ISFs, GSFs, RCFs. It's that simple. Go ahead and send an invite, or I'll just leave the invitation in the description here. But it's been another episode of BWI to ATXF, the channel. Gonna be getting my garage real soon, and I have not forgotten about the part 2 of the check engine light series. It's resolved. Just hadn't edited it yet. I want to do this. This is my day off. There it is. Enough talk. See you next time. Take care.